Hello friends, today I am going to tell you how to add free VPN extension to Google Chrome. First you need to go to Google and type chrome.google.com/webstore. Then click enter. Type betternet in search the store URL here, then hit enter. You can choose betternet extension as soon as you type in URL, else tick mark below extensions after typing betternet. Then click on betternet app. It will take you to this page. Then click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Automatically software will be installed and a message will pop up on top right corner of the Chrome window saying that VPN free betternet unlimited VPN proxy has been added to Chrome. Close message and click on the betternet extension icon and then connect. Click on select virtual location and choose of the following country servers. Here I am going to choose Canada. To check your exact server location, type whatismyip.com in Google. Click on what is my IP address, then you can see here what is my IP address location as it is showing here. Canada, Vancouver. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment.